So here we have f of x equals 3x. We want to find x such that f of x equals 6. So we need to set f of x equal to 6. So here where there's an f of x, let's set it equal to 6. So we get 6 equals 3x. Okay? Divide both sides by 3. And we get that x equals 2. Okay? So that is, if we do, so let's do a check. F of 2 equals 3 times 2, which equals 6. So we were given the output of 6 and we found the input. This is dealing with inverse functions. Let's go to another problem. We've got f of x equals 3x again, and we want to find x such that f of x equals 300. So set f of x equal to 300. Again, where there's an f of x, make it equal to 300. So 300 equals 3x. Divide both sides by 3, and we get that x equals 100. Let's do a check. Okay, we want to do f of 100 equals 3 times 100, which equals 300. So we found x such that f of x equals 300 because f of 100 equals 300. Okay, now let's try another one. This time we have f of x equals 3x, and for each number y, find a number x such that f of x equals y. And this is going to actually be finding our inverse function. So here we have f of x equals y. So where there's an f of x, set it equal to y. So y equals 3x. And now we solve for x, divide both sides by 3, and we get that x equals y over 3. And in the future, that's going to be, and you see in your reading, that's going to imply that f inverse of y equals y over 3. And note there's some issues here about whether do we use x or y. It doesn't matter really in terms of the function. I mean, all that matters is that you have the same here. I mean, the same, an equivalent answer is f inverse of x equals x over 3. Either way, as long as those are the same. What some students will do that's incorrect, let me put it in red here because this is incorrect, and lose points, they will say either one of these, f inverse of y equals x over 3, or f inverse of x equals y over 3. These have to match up, and in both of these cases they don't. So whether you use y as your input for your inverse function or your x's, it doesn't matter to me. The important thing, the reason your book likes to do it a lot is because the inverse function we think as that being of our, we're putting our output, our range, our y values in, and we're going to find our x values. But either way, just make sure that these match. I don't care if you call them z's. I mean, an equivalent answer here would be f inverse of z equals z over 3. It's what the function does, not what you name your variables here that matters. Okay? Alright, thank you. That's going to conclude this video.